In this Urbax Vibes episode, we explore an abandoned time capsule house with everything left behind inside.
This home has been decaying for many years. The floors are warping, the walls are peeling, yet the power is still on and there is no vandalism from the outside world.
Join us as we take a deeper look into this time capsule home.
Okay, ready to go inside?
Yep, I'm ready.
Oh.
Well.
Okay. Why is it not so dark? Yeah, hold on.
Now this place, like that all the power's on, that's pretty cool. You can see all the lights. But first, we'll go over this room real quick. Looks like everything's set up as if they were gonna have dinner. Damn, these are old. A little bit left behind. Looks like they have everything in here. Alright, so now the kitchen.
Cool,
now this kitchen, I love all this weird design on here. Pretty nasty though. It's seen better days. Ugh. That's pretty.
Now, we don't know when this house went abandoned, but some calendars go as far back as 2013.
Oh, that's cool. Rusty.
Potato chips.
Into this beautiful room. Would you look at that? Let's try this. Wow. That's so cool.
It's spooky.
You got a lot of bird cages right here. That's pretty cool. This person that lived here must have really liked birds.
Gotta have the baseball bat ready at the door. Guess that was somebody that lived here. Jesus.
That's pretty cool.
There's one old fan. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's stuck. From the cleaners.
Rackets, I guess. Some old magazines. I can't get over this TV. It's so freaking cool. Alright, let's go upstairs. Looks like someone left behind their shoes. And their clothes. Wow. What a pretty room. That's so cool that all the lights are on. Now what's that? Is that a lock of hair? Damn. That's so weird.
Abraham Lincoln. Electric heater. Somebody's ID. Postcards. Very old pictures. Pretty creepy. Old pictures are always creepy. Look at that one. Small shoes. Now, we don't know much history of this place, and if we did, we wouldn't say much anyway. But it's pretty cool. Seems like it's been abandoned since like the 80s, 90s, or early 2000s, based on how decayed it is. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Nothing works, but wow. Styles toilet paper. Let's see if this works. Hell, this don't work.
So weird. There's a bed up here? Christmas tree. Some random stuff. Sewing table. Looks like there's an old TV under there. Some papers. I wouldn't want to sleep up here. Pretty cramped.